Ram Narayan Ram, a name that awakens self-realization. Ram Narayan Ram is a name that, upon chanting, initiates a journey of self-awareness. Countless individuals across the world have not only transformed their own lives but also contributed to the welfare of others in society by connecting with Ram Narayan Ram. Here, we share one such inspiring story. This incident comes from Rajasthan, where some homemakers were leading simple lives, occupied with daily household chores. One day, they were informed that every Sunday, a spiritual gathering dedicated to Ram Narayan Ram's name would take place. Initially, these women showed little interest. Gradually, however, they started attending the sessions and began chanting the name of Ram Narayan Ram. When asked about their experiences, they shared that their lives had once felt incomplete, filled with challenges they didn't know how to overcome. But as they joined the gatherings and connected with Ram Narayan Ram, their problems gradually began to dissolve. Dreams that had seemed unattainable started to come true. Some of these women, who were previously uneducated and unfamiliar with reading or writing, reported astonishing changes. By attending the gatherings, they first learned to write Ram Narayan Ram. Over time, they progressed to learning all Hindi words and eventually became literate. Their happiness knew no bounds as they witnessed this transformation in their lives. They described how their once dark lives were now illuminated with light and positivity. Initially, only these women were involved in the spiritual sessions. Over time, their entire families became connected with Ram Narayan Ram. This name is said to bring clarity and direction to a confused life. When a person associates with Ram Narayan Ram, they gain a fresh perspective, new energy, and the tools for a successful life. The teachings emphasize maintaining positive thoughts, performing good deeds, and helping others whenever possible. Ram Narayan Ram fosters an environment of positivity, working to eliminate negativity from society and spreading awareness and enlightenment. Ram Narayan Ram awakens one's inner self. Many people often chase their dreams but fail to achieve them despite their best efforts. Have you ever wondered why? The primary reason is that they are yet to connect with their inner self and untapped potential. If you wish to recognize your inner strength and listen to the voice within, connect with the name of Ram Narayan Ram. This connection not only helps fulfill your dreams, but also infuses you with an unparalleled sense of energy. It is said that the name Ram Narayan Ram embodies a power that encompasses the entire universe. Numerous individuals have transformed their lives by connecting with this name. Why wait? Embrace this divine name today. Spread its glory and strive to inspire others in society to join as well. Undoubtedly, this will bring you immense joy and satisfaction.